Hi guys and welcome on my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you a few ways to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy phones. So here is the phone, and the first one and the easiest in my opinion is by using Bixby. So I will open it. Hi Bixby, take a screenshot, and here there is. It is very easy. You can also do it by using Gemini or Google Assistant. Hey Google, take a screenshot.
Sure, taking a screenshot.
And here is the screenshot. You can open it with gallery or photos, and here there is. Now, you can take a screenshot also using your hand. You need to swipe your palm over the screen. First touch the screen and swipe like this, and here there is. So it's very easy. I will do it again. Touch the screen and swipe your palm. Here is the screenshot. For that, on your phone, you need to go to settings and advanced features. Here we have motions and gestures, and be sure that palm swipe to capture it's enabled. Another way is from the quick access panel. For that you need to go here and tap first on the edit button, again on edit, and here we have screenshot. Tap here to edit. Now from here you can move it, just tap on it and move it to the top like this, tap done, and again done. And now if you exit and go to the quick access panel, here is the icon, tap on it, and here we have the screenshot. Now the common way is to pressing together volume down and power like this. Here is the screenshot, and you can use also this feature. And if you want to take a screenshot on a web page, again volume down and power, and to capture all the page, just tap here on this little icon and stop when you want, then just tap on it, and you can open it with gallery, and here is the screenshot. So we have a few ways. Please let me in the comment area which one is your favorite. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.